Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And today's video I'm going to show how to make stuffed mango pickle. This don't need any introduction. Everyone loves pickle. This is my all-time favorite and we Goans love this pickle. And follow the recipe step by step and you can get this recipe right. So in order to make stuffed pickle, I've taken premature 30 mangoes. First step what you have to do is you have to wash the mango thoroughly and then wipe it with a dry cloth. There should not be any water on it. You have to cut, don't cut all the way down, just 3/4, just as shown, and remove the seed. I check this out, this is how it should be. Just make sure that the mangoes are premature, that the seed is not hard and it is easy to cut. Now, once you cut and remove the seed, the next part is to stuff with the salt. Check, guys. All the mangoes you have to stuff with salt and arrange and keep it as shown. This is how it should be. Sprinkle some more salt on top and we need to put weight on that. I have used weights. You can use pebbles, big pebbles, grinding stone or anything that keep a lot of pressure on them. Otherwise there are chances of getting it spoiled. Now after 24 hours you need to remove the weight, open and turn them upside down. Make sure you turn all of them upside down so they get mature completely. Earlier when we were not getting fish, this was a very good option. We were making it in big jars and storing it for rainy season. Now in rainy season we get fish but we don't get mangoes all season. So we have to make and store and keep it and keep the tradition alive so that the upcoming generation can cherish the same memories we had. Now after turning, put the weights again and leave it on the side for next 3 days. Guys, check this out. After 4 days our mangoes are ready. They are perfectly matured and they are ready to stuff masala inside. So our next part is separate the mangoes from the brine, which is water. Now once separated, don't discard the brine. We need for further process. Now take a container, strain the brine and make hot. Once it starts to boil, turn it off, leave it on the side and let it completely cool down. Now in a separate container, add sesame oil, half a liter. Make it hot and leave this also on the side. Now the stuffing part. I have taken 40 chillies, half Kashmiris, half bedgi. Add it to a blender jar and make a powder. Check this out. This is how it should be. You don't have to make it very fine. It should be coarse enough. Now take a pan, add oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use vegetable or you can use even sesame oil. Here I have taken vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. Now once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns and 1 tablespoon of methi, 1 inch of whole turmeric. Saute it for a while. Keep the flame on very low. It should not get burned. And half an inch of hing I've used as a fatida. This gives you a better flavor. Remove it and leave it aside. And in the same oil, add 4 tablespoons of mustard seeds and let it start to crackle. Keep in mind to keep the flame on low, otherwise it will get burned. Once start to crackle, turn off the flame and leave it on the side. Let it cool down. Now the next part is grinding. In the same blender jar, add 3 tablespoons of this mustard seeds and the remaining masala which we had roasted. Make a fine paste and add it to the chillies. Now once you blend, pass some brine to the mixture jar in order to remove all the masala from the jar. Now add the remaining 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds which we had kept it separately. Now add red chili powder, 3 tablespoons. This gives you little spiciness and good texture. You can adjust. If you don't need spicy, you can make only 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon. Now add little bit of that oil which we had made hot and kept on the side. Make sure it is not hot, it is cooled down completely, and little of brine solution. Mix it. Check the consistency, guys. We need a thick and not too dry as well. So I will add little bit of more of both the brine and the oil to make a good texture. Mix well. And our masala is ready now. Now this is ready to be stuffed. Now take one and stuff the masala and leave it on the side. Now if you want to tie the mangoes, you can also do that one with the string. Guys, check this how lovely it looks. This is how stuffed mangoes pickle is made. You can try this out. Once they are all stuffed, now take a jar, glass jar or ceramic, and then nicely arrange it in the jar. Put the remaining brine and the remaining oil in that and fill on top. More important, the oil level should be above the mangoes. You can also add the remaining masala in the jar. Our stuffed mangoes are ready. You can check this out. Do give it a try and you will love this stuffed mango pickle. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do share with your friends as well so they also get to know about this recipe. Thank you very much and God bless you all.